standard steps are they can enter stop codes before the stop machine, when the machine is stopped, and after they have got the machine up and running again. And it can also be done later afterwards. And to use this, you have either the keypad next to the MUR-Box, you have the MUR terminal, which is Windows software you can install on a PC, and you have the web terminal, which also works on the PC in the browser, but you can also use smaller devices such as phones and tablets for that. So what I will show you now in the MUR terminal, here you have MUR terminal, and you have the keypad here, and this keypad has the same feature as the physical keypad next to the machine, as well as the web version. So we can see the machine right now is stopped on cleaning. I will get the signal to the machine so it starts running. And the idea here is that the machine is running, and it will running until it runs out of material. So you can prepare it right away, choose missing material, and choose to change next. That means when the machine stops, the stop code is already entered in the system, like that. This plus also works if you want to split up the stop in different stop codes. For example, you come arriving now, but you found out it wasn't missing material, it got stuck. Then you can choose material stuck, plus, and you record the new stop code like this. In the last example, I'm going to show you what is the most usually used method, and that's enter a stop code for the whole stop. Your machine has stopped, enter reason, for example setup, and confirm with enter. And enter will change the whole stop, compared to plus that it will only change from now and forward. If you mistype, you can always enter new stop code and enter again, like this. One question we asked is you see some small bars here above the status line, and these diagonal lines indicate that this stop has been changed afterwards, meaning from the beginning we were recording unknown stop here, but at this moment here it was changed to this other stop code. There's one more option, and this option is today only available in this MUR terminal that you have with a PC. One of them is that you can scroll in the timeline. You can zoom with the right mouse button to see more and less details. And here you can select a previous stop, and you can change the stop code like this. And here again, you see now you have a solid color on top compared to these diagonal lines. And the solid one indicates this stop has also been changed afterwards, but further away. For example, this change was done at the moment when the stop was occurring, but this change was done afterwards. And the difference is that these changes can be removed. And when you remove the change, you restore the original stop code. And to remove a stop, you click on the stop, or you select the area of the stop and choose delete change here to the right. A few more features I want to show you here. You have on the left side a list of 3 machines. The number of machines you see here depends on what user is logged in. So for example, if you have one terminal next to only one machine, you want to make sure that whatever they enter on that terminal is always reported to the same machine. And you can do that by creating a user which has only access to that machine. I have prepared that, so I will log out T2 and log in as terminal 1. And when I'm logged in as terminal 1, I only have one machine. I only see that machine status and the stop codes. Another feature we had a few years only is stop code groups. And I'm going to show you how that looks for the machine operator. So I will log back as terminal 1. As terminal 2. And here we have 3 machines. What I want to show you now is the list of stop codes. Here you have a list of stop codes. And when I switch to another machine, that one has the same list of stop codes, but this machine 2 has fewer stop codes enabled. So when I switch between the machines, I'm only presented with the stop codes that are available for that machine. And to change that, we're going to go look into settings. So here we have the settings where you as an administrator create the stop codes. Here you specify the name and color, and if they're going to be in a hierarchy, in a tree structure below something else. For example, waiting for repairs is a subcode to repairs. This list you have here is global or for shared between all machines in your factory, and but not all stop codes are available to all machines. And for that we have what's called machine groups. And here I have 3 different groups: the default group and the CNC group. In the default group, I select this one and I look to the right. We have all stop codes active here. But when I switch to the CNC group, you can see we have disabled some stop codes. And when a stop code is not active, it means that it won't show up in the list of available stop codes. But it also means that if you have a keypad on the MUR-Box, you won't be able to enter that stop codes on the keypad. And the purpose of this is to make the list in MUR Terminal as focused and specific to the machine as possible.